Hey guys, and welcome back to your second online Java tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about ints and doubles. Last time we left off with system.out.println, and it's going to take a while, so I might have to pause the video. You won't see anything, but let's just run this project. Okay, so it's back. So I just had to pause it for a second and wait for this to pop up. It's always slow on the very first time you run it after starting it up. So this is what we got when we ran it. System.out.println hi. Okay, so let's start with a new kind of variable. So down here in our main class, I'm gonna make a new kind of variable called int. So let's make that int. And what are we gonna name this int? Let's just name it Bob. And we're gonna be calling Bob, no, I mean, we've already called it Bob. What do we want it to be equal to? We could have it equal to 22. Yeah, let's just go with that. Okay. Now, don't be confused. You could just say you're making an int and calling it Bob, or you could just initialize it right here. But if you do not initialize it, there might be some problems in the future. So now let's say hi, and say I am, and then let's plus there plus Bob. Now we should call this like age, so let's just call that age. There we go. So now let's run this and look down here. Okay. Oh, came up with an error. I wonder if any of you guys caught our error. This is our error right here. I just changed the variable to, and I still said Bob. Now some of you guys might have wrote that. It's like if you're following along, which you should, with your own Netflix tutorial. If you don't, you might want to look at the installing the JDK, which will be at the top of your screen or at the bottom of this lesson. So now that we have no errors, let's see if I pops there. Let's run this. And there we go. Hi, I am 22. So that's what an int is. Here, oh, I just said we're gonna make a new int. I didn't really explain what it is. Okay, what an int is, do not confuse it with a double. They are different. What an int is it's an integer. It's short for integer, so it's a whole number. It cannot have decimals. It is only a whole number in the positive or negative. Now I don't remember how big it is. I'll write that down in a note somewhere, and I'll probably come up with a new page for this website that'll just have some notes and stuff explaining what all of it is. I'm going to be coming out with the Java Coders Dictionary soon. So and right here and is an int, right? So since this guy is like 22, we're not going to say he's like 22.35. We're going to say this is 22. So we're just going to make an int. But we could also say how much money he has, which that might include some decimals, which is where the doubles come in. So this is called a double, which means it has double meaning. Now see right here, I'm just gonna put 2 slashes there, which are comments, and get rid of this error real quick. Now see if I try to put a point 2 here, see how it gives us an error? Let's see what it says. Change type of age, or thing, to a double. So let's get rid of this. So now that you know what a double is, it's a thing with double meaning. It can be a number, but it can also have decimals. Let's say money, and well, how much money do we want him to have? Well, he's 22. He just got out of college. He didn't last that long, and he's working with a fry cook. So he officially has today. He has $27.54. So he has $27.54. So let's say, hi, my name is Age, plus I have, let's make sure we spell have right, have, now let's put that dollar sign, plus money, I have $27.50. So now let's run that. No, okay, so something you might freak out. Let's just have put a comment. Go down here again. Hi, I am 22 and I have $27.04. Now, okay, so I hope you understand what that is. If you don't, just read the description again or watch this video again. Okay, so I'll just go over it one last time. An int is a full number, cannot have decimals, with that can be positive or negative. There's no variables that restrict positive or negative, unless you do like math.absolute, but we're not going to get into that right now. So and a double is a number, positive or negative. Again, there's no restrictions, I think, on any variables, but it can also be a decimal number. Now, you don't ever want to get int and double mixed up, because like, let's say you're making a game, right, and you make a double, and you want it to go a certain amount, you want it to like a certain amount of pixels. You can't say half a pixel because the computer won't register half a pixel. It'll only register full pixels, so you will want to stick with ints. And that's where casting it comes up. But we will talk about that later again. So I'm gonna leave you off on this, and see you later. Watch my YouTube tutorials. If you want to go faster than here, you might want to go to my YouTube channel, and I'll show you. There'll be a link on the probably at the bottom of this video. Yeah, there'll be a link. So it'll be on every single lesson. There'll be a link to my YouTube video. So I hope you understood that. If not, just watch this video again, or just read the description. Okay, bye.